Hi there, my name is Dave Aaron, and welcome to Marketing 626 for fall semester 2012. I'm here to tell you a little bit about the project that you'll be working on as part of the class this semester. It's going to be a team project, and it's going to be for a specific client, a real-world client. Now, my classes in the past have both been online and face-to-face, and every time I do try to bring a real-world client into the equation, so you can not only learn from reading the textbook, learn from the classroom activities, but also learn what it looks like in the real world, how it translates when you have to deal with somebody else's business, somebody else's marketing decisions. And so I've worked with many clients in the past, several affiliated directly with Dominican University, many within the confines of the Oak Park River Forest area, both for-profit and nonprofit. This semester, though, you'll have a very special opportunity to work with a client that's just starting up and is going to base a lot of their early marketing decisions on what you tell them to do. So as the semester goes on, you can always check back with me with any questions or comments or suggestions. In the meantime, you'll have an opportunity to watch some video clips with our client, and that's what you should do next. Look forward to the semester with you. Thank you. Have you ever screwed up? Have you ever felt like you've been screwed over in your career? Well, this semester, your client is a company called Unscrewed Up. This client is just in the beginning phases, and you've got an opportunity to help guide Unscrewed Up and plan their marketing future. I'd like to introduce Lori Rubin DeCapo. Lori and I are working together to develop Unscrewed Up. She and I actually knew each other back in junior high school, and then going to different high schools, different colleges, we basically didn't know each other for quite a few years until through the power of social media, we saw that we both had Northwestern in our academic backgrounds. And we got back together, we started talking, and realized that we had a lot of interests in common, particularly helping people, mentoring people through their careers. It's something that we both do at every opportunity. So now I'd like to introduce Lori.
Hi, thank you for having me here, Dave. And it's going to be a lot of fun working on Unscrewed Up because hearing people's stories are mind-boggling in the ways people have been screwed over and the ways we've all kind of screwed up. I have a background in direct mail advertising. I'm a former business owner and have watched people screw up. I've watched a few people get screwed over, and of course I've made my own mistakes along the way. And in talking with Dave, we figure out we'd like to help people and mentor more people and see if we can help them avoid some of the pain and agony we've gone through.
Thanks, Lori. So Unscrewed Up is a reality. It's just starting out. We've got a website, we've got a lot of ideas, we've got a lot of questions, and we need a lot of input. So what Lori and I are going to do now is go through a list of questions that we put together ourselves, and just to try to give you some background information as to what our goals are, what our business hopes are, and to give you a good starting point for the work you're going to be doing this semester.